What if I told you that the everyday experiences a child has, from a caregiver smile to bedtime routines, actually shape the physical structure of the brain? Not metaphorically, literally. Today, we're exploring how early experiences strengthen, weaken, build, and rewire the brain's pathways. Early childhood is the period of highest brain plasticity. During this stage, billions of neurons are forming connections at lightning speed. But here's a key idea: experiences decide which connections stay and which disappear. This process is known as synaptic strengthening and pruning. Think of it like a garden. Experiences water the connections we want to grow. Lack of experiences causes connections to wither. Warm, nurturing, responsive caregiving strengthens neural pathways and forms the foundation for lifelong learning, emotional health, and social skills. These early experiences include being held and comforted, hearing words, songs, and stories, having needs met consistently, exploring safe, stimulating environments, interacting with loving adults. Each of these experiences tells the brain, build more of this. The brain is just as sensitive to negative or overwhelming experiences. Chronic stress, such as chaos, neglect, or ongoing conflict, can impair the development of key brain regions. Hippocampus, which deals with memory and learning, amygdala, which deals with emotional responses, prefrontal cortex, which deals with impulse control, planning, self regulation. When stress hormones like cortisol stay elevated for too long, they interrupt the brain's construction process. This is why stable, predictable environments matter so deeply. One of the most powerful types of early experiences is something incredibly simple: back and forth interaction between child and caregiver. A child serves by babbling, reaching, or looking. The caregiver returns by responding, smiling, speaking, or comforting. Each cycle strengthens communication, emotional, and cognitive networks. This is one of the key ways early experiences physically build the brain's wiring. Early experiences matter so much because the brain is most malleable, most rewirable in infancy and early childhood. This window is a once in a lifetime opportunity to establish the foundations for emotional regulation, healthy attachment, attention and self control, language and literacy, problem solving skills, resilience. But here's the good news: it's never too late to influence a child's development, but the earlier the experiences, the stronger the foundation. So when we say early experiences shape brain pathways, we're talking about actual biological architecture built moment by moment through affection, interaction, safety, and stimulation. In the next video, we'll dive into the two essential rules every caregiver should know for supporting healthy brain development.